In this video, join along as we complete an easy revamp of the front porch garden by adding a gorgeous solar fountain, a vibrant coneflower, and a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant salvia. Hello gardening friends. So exciting changes are happening here in this front porch garden, the right side. So these baby gem boxwood that have not been performing well, so these three right here are coming out and they are going to be replaced with an evergreen salvia that will appreciate the 6 hours of full mid-morning to early afternoon sun that these plants right here receive. These evergreen salvia will have gorgeous white flowers that the hummingbirds just absolutely love, and it's going to fill up this space. It also will probably play really nicely with the lavender or amethyst purple hues of this puckster butterfly bush. Then, because fall is coming, I think it's going to be time, don't you, to add a little fall color. So right in that spot right there, we are going to add a coneflower to add a pop of, seasonal autumnal color. And then I'm going to try my best to get this feather false carex out of the middle and then divide it into 2 or 3, maybe 4 plants if I can squeeze 4 plants out of it. But what's so exciting is this is where the fountain's going to go. So we sit on the porch right over there, and so we'll be able to sit and have our morning coffee or evening cocoa and enjoy the sound of the fountain. So I am going to get changed, you get comfortable, and we're going to enjoy this little project. Let's get started. I'm going to go over the plants. So this is the one in a melon coneflower, so Echinacea, that really needs to go in the ground. We will get this planted and cut off these blooms so the plant can focus on its roots and more leaves, and hopefully before the season is over we will get another flush of these gorgeous melon-like blooms. They're not so gorgeous right now though. And this is what we're hoping is going to add some fall color, and it is going to go right there. I'm not walking in here yet because I have not cleared the area, and what I think we will do is take care of these first and then doing this. So these 3, pull them out, and hopefully that will scare anything that's in here out of the space. So then I can walk in, do some weeding, pull out this feather false carex, and then plant the Echinacea back in there. But I'm not walking back in there yet. No. Okay, so let's get through all of these plants. So we've got 3 of the Salvia Greggii. They don't look like much right now, but they will absolutely take off. So they're going to replace these. This is the 3rd Salvia Greggii. The 1-gallon plants from Native Gardeners will have white flowers. And this one's going to go right here. Like I said, I'm going to get started over here to scare everything out of this area. We'll put these in here, this in here, and I'm going to start digging these plants out. Okay, first things first, the most exciting element is the fountain. A garden should really engage all the senses, and the sound of water is instantly calming. It adds a layer you just cannot get from plants alone. The fountain for any space should have the right scale, so not so big that it overwhelms the space, but big enough to feel like a focal point for those who will experience it. This tiered design was chosen because it has a classic feel that works with our home style, and the multiple levels being will get that lovely layered trickling sound. The most critical part of installing any fountain is getting it perfectly level. Even if it's a little off, the water won't flow evenly and you'll get a splashy mess instead of the gentle trickle you hear. We used a small level on the 20-inch by 20-inch paver base, and once it was level, the rest was pretty straightforward. You just need to feed the pump's cord through the back, setting the pump in the bottom basin. Then the best part, adding 2.5 gallons of water and plugging it in. The sound is immediately transformative and the space already feels more peaceful. It has really become the anchor for the corner of this front porch garden. Okay, y'all, all done, and I think it looks pretty good. So these are the 3 Salvia Greggii. 1, 2, 3. Still need to stake the one in the middle. So this one right here. They will fill up this space and have gorgeous white flowers that will feed the hummingbirds. The Coneflower, Echinacea, one in the melon, went all the way back here. This had to be cut back quite a bit because it had the worm damage inside. So oh gosh, I can't think of the name right now, but that's why it looks so small. But they're pretty tough, so it should bounce back. The Caryopteris in the middle came out, and instead we put this gorgeous fountain right here. Weeds were pulled, so now we can sit out here and have our morning coffee or evening cocoa or whatever, glass of wine, and listen to the sound of this new gorgeous fountain. Well, thank you all for watching this. We certainly appreciate it. Please consider clicking like, subscribe, and notifications. And I hope you have a great day in your garden. Bye.